Show us your headlight.
Hey guys, this is Christine with ReveMoto Paint and Auto Body Parts. Today we're going to take off the headlights for the 2017 Hyundai Sonata. Alright, let's get started.
What tool are you going to be using, ma'am?
Are you adding this in? You're a terrible commentator.
Oh.
Okay. Because you didn't tell me what
That's
tools
a
I
panel
need.
removal and a flathead.
This is terrible. Don't add that into the video.
Okay.
Alright, so these are the tools that we're going to need. Socket wrench, 10mm and a 12mm gauge. We did have to remove the front bumper before we can remove the fog lights. So if you guys want to see the video on the front bumper, you can check out our YouTube star Rolando. He's going to go over the 2017 front bumper removal, but I'm just going to go through the headlights. Alright, so there are actually, so this is kind of a bad side to show you guys because a few of the screws are already missing. So let's just start on this side actually instead. And this is where we're going to need a 12mm for this top part up here. But then these two bottom parts, you just need the 10. So let's just start with the I find it easier just to use my hands. I think it's rubber. And then we're gonna swap to the 10mm. Oh shit. Don't put that in the video, that's embarrassing.
Will it be in the video?
How do you do this so fast?
Muscles. And then lots of push-ups.
Only push-ups. That leaves you with chicken legs. I'm gonna speed through this part. It's kind of cool. Okay.
There should be one right here. So technically there's one right there on the side.
That looks like a 12. I'm pro now. Watch me be wrong. Oh, I'm totally wrong. That's a 10.
You don't take it all the way. That's it. Nope, that's it. The tab is broken right here. So that's why it's not gonna come off. We're just showing them that there is gonna be a screw right there. Okay. So now once you take off all those four, you should be able to pry it forward.
Should we take this off?
No, that comes with the
So just
headlight.
take the whole thing off.
Yeah. There you go. There you go. So now you got that off. Now you're gonna have to unclip it right here. You see this right here? There you go. Let me show the audience.
Do I just press the two tabs together?
Yes. So give me one second. This angle, go ahead. There you go. Alright. Voila! Show us your headlight. Alright, you got the headlight off? Now what do you...
let's go.
You want to take off the outside? Okay. Dang, practice makes perfect. Go ahead. tell them how many years of automotive experience you have. So the audience is not scared to do this by themselves.
This will be my third vehicle that I'm working on.
You are a pro. What number is that one?
This is going to be the 12 again. This is the only 12 based off of what we know from the other side.
If you work for ReveMoto, do you need a ring like that too?
Needs to be clean. Okay.
So remember, we're missing a tab right here and also on the side. So you can just pull it off.
Pull this off.
Go ahead.
But this time, I'm gonna unplug it first.
Okay. Tell us how that works out.
Not too well right now. I think it's actually really hard to take off on the other side.
So remember, push the tab on top and then pull.
I did, but I have to wiggle it out. I don't have as much muscle as you do.
Thank you.
Don't do 100 push-ups and no legs.
Thank you.
Okay.
So pull forward. There you go. Perfect.
Alright.
Awesome. So you can unplug it before you pull it out. So here's the clip. If your hands are small enough, go ahead and put your hands in there. All right. Looks good. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on that push notification, and also hit that like button. If you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts for your car, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. And also comment down below, let me know what vehicle you guys want me to disconnect, the fender, the bumper, the hood, whatever it is. I'll try to find that car and try to disconnect it for you guys, so you guys don't have to do the work and break stuff. Let me break the stuff for you. Alright, thank you guys.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Hey guys, this is Christine. Pause. Delete that one. Redo.